Lights, camera, action! Good day, matey. This is ZEST and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new, don't forget to click subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So today's video, we are going to do a camera test. Videography test for this camera, which is Sony ZV E10 Mark II. So in today's video, we're gonna try doing some food videography and a little bit of filming. Video yan. Good day, my dear, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Destiny Des, and in today's video, we are not gonna paint, we're not gonna go anywhere, we're not gonna travel, we're not gonna do something crazy. We're just at home. We're gonna do some baking. So just hit the comment below if you're excited to know what are we baking for. So today I'm gonna make cantucci. It's Italian biscuit and it's called biscotti, like Italian biscotti. This is super easy, and if you have like a KitchenAid, you can also do it in a KitchenAid, or you can even do by hand. But by hand it's gonna take a lot of work, like kneading the mixtures. So today I'm gonna weigh all the ingredients and I'm gonna show you and how much ingredients are we needing. Okay, we're gonna start with our flour. Cups of raisin flour. If you don't have any measuring cups, you can use a weighing scale, and if you need a weighing scale, you need to have like around 250 grams. That's already for 2 cups. So because I want to make more, because I want to stock for like maybe a month, because it doesn't like go off really fast and it lasted like weeks. So I'm gonna make 2 batches instead of 2. Then I'm gonna make 4. So baking powder. So baking powder, we only need 1 teaspoon for the original recipe, but because we're doing 2 batches again, we're gonna do 2. So 1 and 2. What's next? Sugar, which is 1 cup. I have here my white sugar. So I reckon it's already 1 cup. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna make, so I'll just put 1.5. I'm not a pro, like legit, like how to teach people. I'm not good at that, but I'm gonna try to teach you guys how to bake this cantucci, because I always do it and my roommate usually do this one and I really crave for it, but because we don't live together anymore. By the way, her name is Abby, so she introduced me to this like dessert. I work in Italian restaurants and cafes. I tasted it, it's so good, and I was like, oh shit, I'm so keen how to make this one. I want to learn, and today I'm gonna share with you. So I have here, we put everything, the dry ingredients, and so we're gonna go here beside our KitchenAid and make sure to have a paddle attachment. So there's 3 attachments: the whisk attachment, the hook attachment, which is for bread, but because it's kind of like a biscotti, like a biscuit, and we don't need to do a meringue, because meringue is so is good for whisk. The whisk is good for meringue. So we stick this one up on our KitchenAid. Make sure that your KitchenAid is off before starting doing it, and then turn it on. Mix the dry ingredients. I have a spare orange from the previous bake, so I'm just gonna use the same orange zest. Ay. And then vanilla. I'll put 3. I was thinking to add the juice though. So after that, we're gonna mix them. Yep, so it's very messy. It looks messy at first, but we need to incorporate this mixture. Need them because I make 2 batches. I'm gonna do half and half because I think it's too much if I do all together. Last time I made that's easier. Maybe because I made only few batches. It's our first bowl. So now they are resting in the oven. It looks like that. Baby, you light up my body. You're somebody two steps you got me. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, oh. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on. You got it all. La 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 la. Baby, you're all that I want. And you're lying here in my arms. I get out to believe. Word is moving. I need to put something on it. I'm trying. Hey! I got it today! Look at that, Mom! That's our finished product. And look at more!